y is equal to 2x and 3 raised to the power x plus y is equal to 27, we have to find x. Alright, now let's look at the solution to this problem. Now this problem is actually very easy and straightforward. Now, if we look at this, we've been given a preamble and then we've been given the actual equation. So all we have to do is to do substitution. We substitute this into this. So we substitute y is equal to 2x into the equation we have over here to get our answer. So to do that, I first of all write my equation. 3 raised to the power x plus y is equal to 27. Are we okay? Now from here, the first thing I want to do, I want to substitute first. So in place of y over here, I'll put 2x over there. So I have here 3 raised to the power x plus